I have a big problem. I have a bunch of toolboxes, and all my tools are separated in these different toolboxes, and they just get stacked up. And you got to dig one out. You got to dig through it. And you got to dig through another one. Dig through another one. You got one over here, and I've got air tools in it and other things. And I don't have any space. Or Monday, the third, March 3rd, and their members club. If you're a member club, uh, member, and you pay $30 for a year, and you get first dibs on sale things, which is cool. I didn't know that. I haven't ever been. I've only bought a couple things from Harbor Freight. U.S. General, slate gray with black trim, 5 drawer mechanics cart, and I think that is going to help me out quite a bit. Okay, now this is not the proper way as per the instructions. You were supposed to have a friend come help and lift the box into the cart. And I didn't have anybody I could call, and I didn't want to wait, so I just laid the box down on its back. And here I'm putting a block underneath of it to prop it up because the back sticks out a little bit more, and that made it more level. And then pick up the cart and just slide it into place. I don't recommend this. I know I probably scratched the surface of the materials up a little bit, but I was being as careful as I could. And definitely lifting something heavy up on wheels that's not bolted together yet is not recommended. Do this next step at your own peril. All right, it's been about 6 hours. I've gone through all my toolboxes and moved stuff around. I got the tool chest filled up. Took about 2 hours to put it together, maybe a little longer. Got about 4 toolboxes worth of stuff in here. I've emptied out 2 of these Kennedy boxes and this box. This one. So yeah, it's definitely gonna help out. It's got everything in here. I still need to get some dividers going, but I got plenty of room for other things. I have a whole one of these drawers is just about empty, and I hardly have anything on that. So I got room to grow. I got room to find more stuff and get it all together in one place. And maybe it won't take me 2 hours to find the socket in the future. So yeah, go for the U.S. General at Harbor Freight, and they're on sale March 3rd. So save you $90.